Hi, today I'm making Italian sliders. My husband and I like two different kinds of sliders. I'm making his all turkey based products, and mine is a little more traditional. So I start with the King's of Hawaiian sweet rolls. I purchased turkey pepperoni. I also purchased sliced turkey for the sliders and pepper jack cheese, as well as traditional salami and provolone cheese. I also have a jar of mild banana peppers. I also have a sliced deli ham, so it's smoked ham for my side of the sliders. And so I'm taking the Hawaiian sweet rolls and I'm cutting them in half. As you can see here, I'm just cutting them down the middle. And I'm taking half of the rolls and sort of moving them to one side of the cookie sheet and the other six to the other side of the cookie sheet. Next, I'm adding the turkey, my turkey pepperoni, and the pepper jack cheese on the side that my husband likes. Next, I'm adding a couple of slices of provolone, and then I'm working on my side of the sliders. And so I'm going to add deli ham for mine. I'm adding salami to the sliders, and then I'm also adding provolone because that's what I like. And then I'm adding banana peppers to both sides because we both enjoy banana peppers. Next, I'm going to add the top of the Hawaiian roll back on to, cover the sandwich. And I'm going to then melt about maybe a tablespoon and a half of butter. And I'm adding a tablespoon of Italian seasoning to that I'm just going to warm in the microwave for about, 20 seconds until it's melted. And I take my basting brush and I'm going to just baste the butter and seasoning all over the top of the sliders, just like you see here. And once it's fully covered, I'm going to then bake this sandwich in the oven for about 20 minutes or until the cheese has melted completely. Once it's done, it's a buttery, hot sandwich. It's tasty and it's perfect for parties, Super Bowl, anything.